Hi everyone, it's Heidi from Flutterby, heidi.co.uk, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based here in the United Kingdom, and I'm actually from Warwickshire, on the Warwickshire-Worcestershire border. Warwickshire, I've been in this area for quite some time, but brought up just over the county in Worcestershire. There you go, a bit of information about me. So I've been looking at treat holders, and this is for an upcoming event with other demonstrators, and I wanted something just so we can pop some sweets in to share. And this is an oldie but a goodie. It's an origami, so it's no glue, no cutting, just folding, not even a paper score required. And the great thing about this is it also folds flat. So you could do this using Christmas paper to go on your Christmas table, add little treats into there, and I say it's quite spacious. So as long as you've got some 12 by 12 paper, you could get quite a few bits and pieces in there. Imagine it with maybe some lindors in it, or maybe even, dare I say, pop some. You could actually get sort of 2 or 3 Ferrero. Oh, if you don't balance it out, obviously, yes, as I have just not done. There you go. You could get 4 Ferrero in there quite nicely. But actually, I've got half a dozen here. You could easily get 2. Or at a squeeze, actually, you could possibly even get 4 in each of those. Looking at that, you could definitely get 3 on each side. So maybe this will have to be a Ferrero Friday project, to stick some Ferrero in. I haven't done any of those for a while. So yeah, so you could actually pop that in the middle of a table, on the side, for people to help themselves out of some little treats. And it is so easy to do. I can't believe I haven't shared it. What you need is some paper with a fairly all over design, preferably not too directional. This one is a little bit directional, but not too bad. But you need 1 sheet of 12 by 12, and you are just all you need in terms of equipment is a bone folder. So what you need to do is just be really precise and really firm. So I've actually folded that in half diagonally, and I'm then going to fold and score. So you're making a big triangle. Then you're going to repeat that. Okay, so you're going to do that. So up to that, I find it easiest to work, really get it in the middle. I used to do so much origami as a child. It's really quite funny. But I'm back to doing origami. There we go. Once you have folded it in half diagonally twice, you fold it in half on the straight edges. So again, just make sure you line those up. And any of you who've done the napkin fold treat holders, this will become really naturally to you, because this is in effect 4 of those, almost like back to back. So there we go. So once you've done that, open it up, and you're going to put one of them in like so. So fold the corner in. It's what we call a squash fold in origami. So you can see there, 2 diagonal sides, and it folds down. Then what you want to do is fold up one of these corners. Obviously decide which way you want your paper. So on the outside, if that's what you want to see most of, that's what you need to put on the outside. So fold up, flip over, and do the same again. So fold up and flip, and then open that a bit like a book. There we go, like so. So those 2 folded bits are now on the inside of your diagonal fold. Again, just take the opportunity to reinforce those creases at any moment. So again, fold this up, flip it over, and fold up. And then, quite simply, if you're used to doing napkin fold, you're going to fold it up, and this needs to be parallel. And this is where you need to give it a really good burnish. I say it's no glue. You might want to add a bit of glue onto it. But once you've done this first one that are parallel, flip that over, repeat again, and this time you can actually follow the line of your creases on the other side. And again, fold that up like so. Really reinforce those, and then fold that down, and that's the bit that probably, if anywhere needs a bit of a glue dot to hold it in place, I would say it's a good idea to pop one on. So you don't have to, but if you're going to use it, particularly if like this, it's actually quite thick paper, flip it over, do the same again. Again, reinforce those. I'm going to pop a little glue dot. Traditional origami obviously doesn't have that. And so you've got two on the outside, then you turn it on its side and open it up. And that will open up on both sides. And you fold that down. Okay, and fold that down. And all that's left to do is for you to curve those slightly and just press on the bottom. So again, there, pull it out. There we go, like so. Last one. And all I like to do is just press those down, and that helps it keep its shape. And there we have a treat holder that you can then, look at this, just imagine filling it with some Smarties, ready to go on the table. So, origami, no stick, no glue, although you might want to add a little bit of glue, table treat holder, a bit of fun, and great for Christmas. So thanks for watching. Come back and see me again soon, and don't forget, if you'd like some of this bird ballad paper, or you need a new bone folder, pop along to my shop at flutterbyheidi.co.uk, follow the links, or pop along to my Stampin' Up shop direct, which is heidismith.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me soon. Bye now.